Example of sheet metal box. Construction method using solid and shell, split faces and add bend. First we will go to our solids tab and select cuboid, and we will have our length, height and width set at 500 each. And then we will select the center. Right click to complete and right click to exit the command. For this solid we will add chamfers. We will have a first distance set at 150. We will then select our edges, 1, 2, rotate the part and select the third and right click to complete. This then gives us our 3 chamfered edges, and then right click to complete and right click to exit the command. We will then go to our sheet metal tab and select shell and select the entire solid to shell. We will set our thickness to 3 and then right click to complete. Next we need to select faces to be removed, so we will select our top face, the secondary face and this third face and right click to complete. Now we can see we have a greyed out model and right click to complete again. Once more to exit the command. Now we need to add wedge corner relief. To do that we go and select add wedge corner relief and we need to select 3 faces. We will select face 1, face 2 and face 3. This then gives us a wedge relief, and we can set our offset value and we can make that as large or as small as we like. We will set this to 5 mm. We will right click to complete, and while staying in the command we will select the other 3 faces. Face 1, face 2, and as you can see these are populating here, and face 3. It will keep the previous offset value, or we can increase that if we so wish, or decrease that. In this case we'll set that to 5. We'll right click to confirm, right click to complete and exit. We have now added our wedge corner relief. This part will still not be able to be unfolded as we have still connected lines and no bend lines. So what we first need to do, we need to split an edge. This edge here will be the first one we select. And as we zoom in, we have the option of no overlap, overlap or reverse overlap. So if we right click, we can see that a split is created. And we get to increase that gap to a dimension that we see fit. We'll keep that at 0.5 mm gap, and we will right click to confirm. And as we zoom out we can see there's an overlap, and select this edge and right click to confirm again. We can choose an overlap to change the characteristics of the split. And if it's not possible, it doesn't show the graphic. So for this we will show no overlap and right click to confirm. And right click again to close the command. This part is still not yet able to be unfolded because we have straight line edges. So we need to add bends to anything that needs to be bent. If we go to add bend, we can select an inner radius, and we will select that as 3 mm. We will select our edges that we want to add a bend to, and we will multi-select these so we can do them all at the same time. And we will right click to confirm. We can adjust these inner radiuses using the drag icons, or we can type in the inner radius for all. Right click to complete. And now we have inner radius 3 mm, we have ends, we have split edges, and we have corner reliefs. So first now, before we unfold, we must set our part properties. Accept. The part will then change colour, and we can toggle a fresh feel. Now this is our part unfolded, and an isometric view. And if we wanted to, we could put a hole in any one of these surfaces by going to wireframe, circle, and put in a 50 mm radius circle here. Going to sheet metal, selecting cut flange, selecting the circle, right click to confirm. We now have a hole through our part. Right click to confirm, and right click to exit the command. We can also move that if we so wish by using the move command. Dragging our window over it, right click to confirm, and we can actually drag that if we wanted to, or we can say, using a ruler dimension, from this point I would like to have that 100 mm away. I can do the same for the x-axis, selecting a point, and say I would like that 150 mm away. Right click to confirm, right click to exit, and now we have a little wireframe. I will now delete. And if I toggle my flat blank, I now have a flat blank with a hole in it, bends and split edges.